CASIO G-Shock GSTB100XB-2A G-Steel Carbon Men's Watch. It is equipped with Japanese solar quartz movement and 5513 caliber. Polymer stainless steel case of round shape. Case dimensions are 53.8 mm in diameter and 14.1 mm in thickness. The dial of this CASIO watch is black. Display type, analog. This timepiece has mineral glass. Polymer band. Band color, black. 200-meter water resistance. The following features are equipped: screw-down crown, dual time, chronograph, countdown timer, alarm, perpetual calendar, power reserve indicator, date, day, backlight, Bluetooth.